Prior to a storm, people rely on us. During a storm, people rely on us, and especially afterward, people rely on us. We don't have the luxury of not being here. Feeding Tampa Bay has been around for 42 years. First and foremost, we make sure that we put healthy groceries into homes. We serve the 10 counties that surround the Tampa Bay areas. We have about 5 million people in our service area. We have 1 in 7 adults and 1 in 4 children that we would consider food insecure. When we built our new facility, the idea was that we could withstand any sort of disaster.
What made this project unique was the different scenarios of load. There was a wish list of what they wanted to carry. We went through, I think, 5 or 6 different scenarios of load with the design engineer.
A lot of information on the generators, the transfer switches, all the equipment to make sure it's what the engineer requires.
We need power for everything that we do, literally. We have refrigeration, freezers. We have an 11,000 square foot kitchen that also has walk-in coolers and freezers. We have a bistro, we have a market, we have an empowerment center where folks and our neighbors can come in and get the resources that they need.
After determining the size of 900 kW, that's when we decided to offer our 3x300 MPS system. If one unit would happen to go down, they always have emergency power when they need it.
We needed to ensure that not just our life safety systems, but all of our systems maintained power. Imagine our surprise when 3 or 4 months after we actually had our grand opening that we're looking down the barrel of 2 back-to-back hurricanes. The Generac generators saved the day. We would have lost hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of food.
It makes all the hard work that you put into your job worth it. It allows grocery stores in places like Feeding Tampa to keep the lights on, to keep the food fresh, so people can depend on them when there's no power and when they're in need.
Generac Industrial Energy has been really a great partner for all these years we've been with them. They have great customer service. They take care of our people, training needs of our sales engineers, training of technicians. We're proud to be their partner.
Probably the greatest compliment you can give to anybody is to say, I trust you. We were able to trust Generac. We truly had built this beacon on the hill, that we were that safe place in the storm, and because of Generac and ACF, we were able to light that beacon for everybody to see.